Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Twitter account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and first open up Twitter app. Then right here top add your profile picture. Then hit add settings and support. Then settings and privacy. Now you should top at your account. And then at the very last position, you can find the deactivate your account. Just tap on that here. You can scroll down until you find these deactivate link. And once you tap on that, your display name, username and public profile will no longer be viewable on Twitter.com, Twitter for iOS and Twitter for Android. And your account will be deactivated for 30 days. In 30 days after deactivation, you would be able to restore your Twitter account just by simply logging into your account. After 30 days has passed, you wouldn't be able to restore your account, and it will be permanently deleted. But all the time, all these 30 days, all your Twitter data and media files, posts and comments will be visible just for you. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Twitter tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.